Good afternoon,
Hey.
ladies and gentlemen. Max and Olivia with the McLean team back here again to get another video out there for you guys, because we really like making these videos for you guys, and we love your reactions and your feedback. We think it's really cool. But today, going back to it, we're going to talk a little bit about USDA loans, and I'll let Olivia kind of go into that.
Thank you, Max. So yeah, like Max said, we are going to do a little video about USDA loans and kind of inform you guys about the benefits of it and how it can really help you as one just looking to move into a rural area. So a USDA loan is really, unless you are a veteran or an active service member, the only loan that you can get with zero money down. My zeros are a little off.
We didn't plan this part. This just came natural.
We really couldn't sync. Anyways, so that would be your only option really if you were looking for a no money down loan.
Yes, which is really convenient for a lot of people around here, where, you know, our average price home range is around $155,000 here in Hernando County, because that's where we're at today. And
yeah, so if you were, say, looking for an FHA loan, your first-time home buyer, you're looking at a down payment of 3.5%, which is $155,000 home would be like $5,500 in a down payment. So, and that's just in your down payment. There are other things to consider when purchasing a home. So you can save quite a bit of money going with the USDA loan. So there's no beating that. So basically what a USDA loan is, like we said, no money down, which is great. It's actually designed for lower to middle income families
who are looking to buy in rural areas.
Yes.
Which, especially in our neck of the woods, I mean, Hernando County even, but Sumter Counties, Lake County, I mean, pretty much all your Central Florida area. Citrus County. A matter of fact, we're working on a deal. We're in the middle of a deal right now using that same, going through USDA.
Yeah, in Inverness. So cities that you may think wouldn't qualify do. We're going to go into the eligibility map and show you guys how to look on your own if you're thinking of moving to certain cities and you want to consider using a USDA loan. So just a few highlights about how, if you could qualify for a USDA loan. First thing is income limits. As we said before, it is designed for lower to middle income families. So for a 1 to 4 person family, your annual income limit would be $82,700. Anything over that, unfortunately, you do not qualify. But if you're under that income limit, then you do qualify, or if you're right at it. So if you have a family that's bigger than 1 to 4, such as like a 5+ family, then you're looking at more around the $109,000 range. And last but not least is credit. You do have to have at least a 620 credit score. All right, so we are going to start the screen recording process and show you guys. And
you're going to see a little glitch because we're going to probably stop the video right here and then boom.
Here we are. So you're going to go into your preferred browser, and in the search bar you're going to type eligibility.sc.egov.usda.gov. Click enter. Okay, so it's going to take you to this site here. Welcome to the USDA Income and Property Eligibility site. So you're going to click Single Family Housing Guaranteed. It's going to take you to this page here. It's going to give you a little disclaimer. Just click accept, that way you can look at everything. And so this here is going to take you to income eligibility, limits, loan basics. This is the previous eligibility areas. The beginning of June, they actually recently redid some of the areas that did and did not qualify. For example, in the Lake County area, some of the areas of Claremont do not qualify anymore. So they kind of revise things every now and again. Alright, so basically what you're going to do is type in the address that you are curious on. So for example, I will type in the address that we are under contract on right now. Like we said, we are actually under contract in Inverness. So you're going to click go, and it is going to take you right there, and bam! This address is located in an eligible area. So you can see here the map legend. It's really simple, guys. Basically, if it's shaded this kind of beigey yellow tone, it is not eligible. Whoops, sorry about that. yeah, so it's not eligible. If you want to zoom out and kind of just get an idea of the areas, everybody knows how the Villagers is booming.
They don't get it.
Yeah, you don't get it. You don't get it. Let's go back over to where we are here in Hernando County. So you can see Brooksville, when you kind of go into Sugar Mill Woods, Homosassa area, Inverness. These areas here all qualify for USDA. Yeah, this is just a great way for you guys to go on the website on your own and see what would qualify. Okay, so that was it. I hope we helped you kind of get a good idea of how to navigate the eligibility site. Again, if you have any questions at all about USDA or any other home loan, please feel free to reach out to us. Call, text, messages here on Facebook. We do have a great lender who we refer our USDA buyers to. He's very knowledable.
Yeah, he'll 100% get you through it.
Yes, he will. If you have any questions about any other home loans that we can maybe do a more video about, like an FHA.
Oh yeah, we're gonna, guys, we want to do this as often as we can. We want you guys to participate. We appreciate you so much sharing, so much liking and tagging people. And please, guys, if you know anyone who might have these questions, please send us our way. And we want to make these videos as often as we can. We really appreciate everything you guys have been doing for us. So, all right.
Catch you later.
All right, guys.